Hello guys, and welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'll show you how you could fix videoscribe software when it goes blank. So you might be facing this issue whenever you open it and you click login, you get this white screen. To fix that, you will need to close your videoscribe software and then open your PC or this PC shortcut, click on local disk, click on users. Next step, select your username. Mine is here. And click on view and select show or select hidden items to be shown. Click on app data. Click on roaming. Next step, you will need to click on videoscribe desktop. After that, local store, library, caches, and here you will need to select and delete everything. Once done, you can close, go back again to videoscribe, double click, and try to open it as normal, and this time it should work for you. Now it's working. And we can go ahead and start working on projects.